Stop. So your second serious fault is the roundabout.
Yeah.
Now you were quite confused. Now, did you know where the black button was? Where the black button sign was?
Yeah, I did. I just didn't know when to signal because it was the first exit. Do you know what I mean? I didn't know whether I had to signal.
So when you turn left, when you cross the cycle lane,
Yeah.
as you turn left, there was a big signboard there telling you the black button is ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Means any other roundabout after that, if you don't see any other black button sign, you will be going where?
Ahead.
Now the roundabout, I have to press a brake. So as you're approaching, how many arrows were there?
2.
2. So what is that arrow telling you? Going where?
To the left or ahead?
And where we need to be supposed to be going?
Ahead.
So what was the confusion then?
I don't know.
Yeah, so you're supposed to be going ahead.
So you don't need to signal when you go ahead.
Until you pass. So once you pass the first exit,
Then you signal to the left.
then you check your mirrors and signal to the left.
Okay.
You understand your mistake there? And because of that reason, when you decided to go, that car come quite fast.
Yeah.
So if you have to stop or you pause, you always, before you emerge, do your safety check again though.